Good afternoon, teacher and everyone. My name is Vanessa Salami, and this is my presentation for the activity What Would Have Happened If? Well, I decided to make the point a big decision you have made. A few months ago, I was in Bogota and was in needed money to pay a receipt, and I didn't have it at the time. At work, it was a day of performing different administrative activities. That day, I had to go to make several consignments in different banks. I was thinking about how to get the money I was needing. While thinking about this, I left the office with my co-worker Daniel to the banks. We made several consignments, but when we arrived at one of the banks that we needed to go, we could see that the bank headquarters was too crowded, which is why we decided to divert our path and go to another headquarters of that bank that was much farther away, but that would probably be more unoccupied. After walking, we arrived at the other bank that was practically more unoccupied. We made the consignments, and half a block after leaving the bank, I looked at the floor, something that was thrown and rolled up. I told my partner Daniel to bend over and look at it and pick it up. When we crouched down, I could see that it was money. We picked it up. There was no one out there. And since we didn't see anyone who could be the owner, we decided to keep it for us. We arrived at the office. We counted, and there were 2,800,000 Colombian pesos. Good luck! We split it between the two and gave some money to our co-workers. The good thing is that we got the money I was needing, and I could pay my receipt, and we could also help our co-workers. What did it happen? I was needing money to pay a receipt, and I found the money thrown in the street. Who did the story finish? I could pay the receipt, and we could also help our co-workers. How do you feel about the situation, and how do you react? I feel confused for a moment about what to do, but I feel happy, lucky, and very grateful to God. What do you regret? I don't regret raising the money. The money was thrown in the street, and there was no one around who could be the owner. Well, this is my presentation for the activity. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a good day.